What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking all about how long does it take for your sales to show up in your KDP reports. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I personally got my results with my low content books, then check out the link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This will take you step by step on everything that I did to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So KDP reports, as you can see all the books that I have been selling. Had a really good day there, few not so good days just here, but that happens. But nonetheless, how long does it actually take for your sales to show up just here? Well, most people think that as soon as you've sold a book it's going to show up. Well, that's not the case. Your sales data just here of all the books that you have sold only shows up once that book has been printed and shipped, mainly just shipped. So you might sell a book on Tuesday, you notice that your book has a BSR, so it's sold, but there's no data just here. Well, that book might not get shipped to the Wednesday or the Thursday, and that's when you'll see the units sold within your dashboard. So it's only when your books have been shipped, so remember that. KDP reports is all well and good, but the data just doesn't look that great. This is alright just to have a quick glance at all your daily books, but if you want something that looks a lot better than this, then check out AK Reports. This is one of the tools that I like to use to show me all my data. Now with this tool it's completely free to use until you've earned $1,000 in royalties. But this is a really great tool to have in your toolbox. Now as you can see, it's going to pull up all the data for your sales. So over the last 30 days I've made £1,200, 63 yesterday and £4.40 today. And you can also see a chart similar to the KDP reports, but it does look a little bit better. As you can see, I had a really good day there. That was £85 in one day. But it also shows you the data from where your books have been sold. So I've sold 63% of my books in the last 30 days in the US, 34% in the UK, 1.7% here, 0.2% in France, and so on. So this tool is called AK Reports. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below if you want to go and check it out. It just makes all your data a lot more easier to read, and it's just a lot more user friendly and looks really great. So again, that is AK Reports. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.